Hi, this is Mark Metalski with Prepare Incorporated. Once you've selected a course that you're interested in or a set of sample questions that we offer, the next step would be setting up an Equals account, the software that we developed, but we also deliver our questions and course content through. So after you decide on the course that you would like to preview before you purchase it, let's go to the Demo button, and we will be able to set up an account. So as we come into this, the integrated within this web page, as well as momentarily, we will open Equals in a separate window to use. Let's click on the Sign Up Now button. Here is where we will set up a username, input our password, and our email address. So let's call this one Prepare Demo. And it is case sensitive when you log back in. And my email address is mmetalski@prepareinc.us, so use whatever your email address is to correspond with me as you go through the courses, as well as to reset your password if you need to. And next we will input a password and confirm the password. And we will enter some personal information about ourselves, our first name, last name, date of birth. And again, if you do not want to write in your actual date of birth, that is fine as well. Just remember, in case we need to verify it for some reason, to reactivate your password. I'm in the United States. You can select your country from the drop-down. I'm in the state of Indiana. My current job is as a structural engineer. My highest degree level is a Master of Architecture. Find your university within the drop-down that you attended. And I attended the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. If your university is not in the drop-down list, just click on Other and enter the name of your university here, and then you can send me a note and I would add it to the list. And I graduated from the University of Illinois in 1997. And then I register for my account. And our account is set up. Okay, from here we have several opportunities. And with this video, we are just going to look at the most basic of looking at the demonstration of our sample problems. So let's open up this in a larger window. And as we are logged in, it still keeps our settings here. We can always toggle back to the Prepare website. And we have several options here. The first options are the self-paced courses, the Building Systems, Construction Documents and Services, and Structural Systems courses. We will get to those in our next video about the demo and the purchasing of those and what you would see and expect if you decide to subscribe to those. So right now we currently offer sample questions for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections of the exam, ranging from 85 sample questions or one full mock exam for the Building Design and Construction Services to 339 sample questions, almost 3 full mock exams for the Structural Systems. And let's say we want to demo those before we purchase them. We would go to Demo. And here we see that we are in the section that we want to demo. If it's a study session or mock exam, and later on with the features there will be another video that explains the difference, but study session, the answers, you can retrieve those as you go along. Mock exam is to put yourself in the real exam experience, and you don't get to see the answers or how you're doing until the end, until you submit it. The duration, you can set up a time limit if you want to time yourself with the exam. The number of questions, we have 13 demo questions, so I will put in 13. And we can choose to randomize them or not. So right now we will leave randomize the questions on yes, and begin the exam session. So these are the typical types of questions we can go through and start to answer the questions and sample these. This is a multiple choice. Again, they are random. This is another multiple choice question. If we come up to the review screen, we can see the different types of questions and content categories that they are in. It also tells us how they were doing, how much time we have used, and what is of importance as well is testing yourself in the various categories. So this is a general structures, codes, and regulations type of question. And I believe this question, it's technically infeasible. So if we were to check that with our answer, we would see that we are correct. The explanation is here if you want to link to the code requirement. So a hyperlink to the building code so you can look up technically infeasible. And then we can continue to our next question. So that is setting up the demo questions, and if we want, we can log out to go back to our home screen and click on Start New Exam. And we are back at our entrance screen, and now you can decide if you want to purchase this through the Buy Now button through PayPal. Okay, and it gives you the price of $60. You can decide to enroll with a credit card or your PayPal account and go from there. Another way to subscribe would be directly through the Prepare website and clicking on a set of these questions and adding it to the shopping cart. Now, once you subscribe, the enrollment process is not automatic. We will receive an email here at Prepare to enroll you into this class. Okay, so it's not automatic. We will receive an email and we will manually put you into the course. Once you receive this, once we put you into the course, we will send you a message back and you can read the next steps in getting started. One of the things that we will ask you to do is to come down and look at the helpful downloads for the course. Say that you selected to purchase the structural system sample problems only. Here's a PDF download to give you the reminder of the setups of how to get started with that. So just a quick reminder on getting through the course. Okay, we look forward to working with you in the near future, and best of luck with the ARE.